Ladies and gentlemen, we are here again on Padi Signals. Yes, you can see I'm wearing my blue jersey because aside giving trading signals, I'm a true Chelsea fan. And today we are playing the final, so this is the only way I can show my support to my team, Chelsea. So the final comes in a few hours from now, 9 p.m. local time here. So I just said, okay, I think it's best I make this video now for Padi Signals for what is going on in the trade. I have some good news to share. So I think, okay, I think it's best I show this today before I watch the game. Hopefully we win also. So yes, today is the 13th day of July, and this is day 13. Yeah, so I try to show updates when there's updates to be shown. So if there's no updates really, then I don't really make a video. So so I'm going to show you guys the chat, and yeah, stay with me. So this is the COQ chart. Excuse me. This is the COQ chart that I've been sharing in the last days. And if you remember my trade when I said I traded $174. So this was the entry point. So now the price currently is here. But if you look at this candlestick, this was from, let me change the pointer so that you can see it clearly. So if you look at this candlestick, you can see if you look down to the down of your screen, you see this candlestick is from 11 uh sorry 11 13th July, so today. So right, and if you see, it crossed the yellow line, it crossed my 20%. And if you watch the last video, you see I talked about the 20% line which I set as my take profit. So I believe with this I'm already 20% profit from with the trade, right? Uh, I was thinking because the news now with crypto, I think in the next very in a short time, the market is going to be pumping so hard. So all the coins are really performing well now. So I also believe that this coin is going to 30% from my entry point. So my plan was before the 20% was hit, I was thinking, oh, maybe I'm going to come back and make a new video and adjust the price, adjust the take profit price. So it will be 30% profit because I knew the coin is going to get to 30%, the price. Imagine if you look at this point, look at where it got to. This around 0.58, right? So that's almost maybe at least 25% profit from my entry point. So, but anyway, I don't want to be too greedy, so I take 20% here. So I'm going to look at my order history to see that the trade was it really happened. And if you look at this one, you can see sell 5703. Look at it, 5703 is the yellow. Look at it. So I sold this quantity, and this is what I got in dollars, 209. So I'm going to show it in the chat, and you're going to see now that my target, my 30% target is we're almost getting there for month of July, getting 30% profit. I think we are getting there. So yeah, so now I'm going to fill the Excel sheet. You guys know I've always been keeping an Excel sheet, and if you remember this last entry, which is the row 8, showed 475, and this was the entry price. If you look at this, this was the entry price. It was actually 475. Maybe I adjusted something there. So this was the entry price, and this was the amount I spent, 174 USDT. This was the capital. So, and this was the amount of COQ I bought, 366 million tokens of COQ. So, well, people used to wonder why am I always trading COQ? Well, I always say it. I like if I want to trade, I prefer trading in meme coins because they are usually very volatile, and I seem to understand COQ because it's been a long time I've been in it. So I like the volatility. I like it when it's really pumping hard. I can really tell, and I can really tell when it's coming down, and I'm just used to it. It's a meme coin, and I also like to trade other meme coins like Pepe also or WIF, but I just prefer COQ because yeah, it's just what I'm used to. So, but the same strategy, the same way of working, like using um, ChatGPT or the way I'm working. You can always apply it to other coins or tokens. The main thing is that don't be too greedy. Take as much profit as you can. If you even take 3% profit, I mean, that's something. It's better than losing, you know, and always prepare to take some loss, but little loss if you use a stop loss. If you are trading and you're not using a stop loss, then I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, when you're sports trading, I mean. Yeah. So anyway, I've gotten 20% up, so I'm going to record the sale, and hmm, something I'm just seeing something here. So I'm just seeing order failed. So I'm wondering why that is. And the only way I can tell is I'm just gonna drag it another screen. I'm gonna leave this one here because I want to actually see it. So I'm just So after checking, I see the reason why the order failed on this place. Yeah, maybe there was no enough liquidity to fulfill the sale. And actually, I prefer this to happen because I was even thinking that I don't want to sell at 20% because I think I'm going to get more profit than 20%. So and well, I was happy to take 20%, but now that the order is failed, so for some, and one of another reason why I think it failed. If you look at this, this is the candlestick where it crossed 20%. You can see it's just a thin line that crossed the 20%. So there was not much liquidity. Although some people with maybe the people that put the order earlier than me because it's first out, they could maybe some of them could sell, but yeah, this happens sometime in trading. If it was a candle, a full candlestick that crossed it, then I'm sure my order will have happened. But it's still good. I like it because remember I started on the blue line and this is where I am now, and this is 20%. So now, what I want to do, I want to shift my stop loss. I want to take it up here so that I can still continue to uh, maximize any potential, even if the price goes against me. I'm still in profit. Imagine if I set the stop loss here, so I'm just going to shift it as I speak. I'm just, I'm going to put it 5400. I want to use a logical number. Yeah, just 5401 is cool. Uh, no, in fact, I'm just going to take to the next one just to allow some space, you know, like it's equal from the green line to the yellow to the red. Yeah. Well, I mean, this I'm just guessing here. It's not as if I'm using some special idea because I'm already in profit, so I'm happy. So I can play around with it, right? So, but I think my take profit, I'm going to increase it to around 25% or at least 30%. Maybe I'm going to sell 50% of my COQs at 25% profit and the rest at 30% profit. So I think that will be my strategy. So first thing first, I'm going to adjust the stop loss. So which is going to be 5352, 5352. So I'm just going to come here, open orders. So maybe because it was triggered, but the order didn't happen. Yes, then I have to do it again. Okay. So I'm just going to do it again. So I'm just going to do a new one. So it has been triggered. But if I look at the order history, conditional, oh no, limit orders. Yes, this was triggered because this was the price I wanted to sell, 5703. So it happened, but actually it failed, but it was triggered. So I need to create a new order then. So now I'm going to create a stop loss and let me see the conditional. There's nothing on conditional. So if I go to open orders, is there something conditional? No. Limit orders. This is old order. So that's not it. So I'm gonna set another new one because that one it triggered, but although it didn't happen. So first thing first, I'm gonna set my stop loss. So this is gonna be Since I've increased it to 5352, 5352, I'm gonna sell everything. Oh no, that should be conditional. It should be like this. Conditional. I was a little bit, hold on. So yes, conditional market, and yes, conditional market, and yeah, conditional market, and yes, I'm gonna sell everything, and at this price, the price will be 0.1234565 5352 USDT. So that will be my new stop loss. So sell everything. Yes, when it drops to this price, yes, sell. So it's going to turn up as a conditional like this. So this is it. So when it comes down to this price, less than or equal to this price, sell it. The price is currently here. And now I'm going to increase my take profit. So I need to know 25% of no, 5%. No, let's do it. I'm going to do it from the entry. So what was my entry? My entry was order history. My entry was 4750. So why is this not on the correct one? It should be 4750. Yeah, somewhere like that. 4750. You get it. So this was my actual entry. So now, so this I need to know 25% and 30% from this entry. So I'll just use ChatGPT to calculate it for me. Uh, can you calculate 25% from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4700, 4750, and 30% to, of course, ChatGPT knows what I want. They say it's the smartest of them all. So just do the job. No, not off. Yeah, I can just add it. I mean, will I say above? Is that the right keyword? I mean, above this price. You should be smart to get it. Yes. You want to increase the value by 25% and 30%. Yes, thank you. That's what I want. So yes, this is 25%. Okay, I can't copy it. I better just type it in. 5935. So I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna sell now, conditional sell market. So my price 0.1234566, and I'm gonna sell at this price 5937, 5937, 5937. Sell all of it. So this is what I'll get, $202. Remember, my capital is $174. So this is what I'm going to get if I sell. But I don't want to sell everything. I want to sell 50% of it. 50% of my COQs. So this should recalculate. Let me just do like this. 50%. Really? Then why is it not adjusting? Okay, maximum selling amount. Okay, it's clear now. I was wondering why it's not adjusting. So yeah, 50%. So I'm gonna sell this. So this is 50%. I'm just gonna copy what it is, and that's at 25%. So with that, I'm gonna should I do that first? Should I actually increase the what is it? 59375. 59375. So this is here. This one, I have to use it for something else. 59375. Yes, 5937. Yeah. So this is now 25%. How can I arrange the text? Yeah, this is 25%. Okay, so this is my first take profit, and my next take profit, which is 30%, which I want to sell the rest, is at which price? 6175. 6175. So the same way I'm gonna put it here. 566175, and I want to sell the remaining 50%. So at 30, yep. So that's it. So if I look at my open orders, you can see, look at it here. At this price, sell 50%, and at this price, which is lower, sell the other 50% of it. So that's to maximize my profit. So the other price is 6175. So I'm just gonna put it here with this one. 6175 should be, yep, perfect, which is 30% up. Oops. Yep. So I should make it bigger. Yes. So now I've adjusted my stop loss. I've adjusted the stop loss, and let me make it more. Yes. So I've adjusted the stop loss, and yep, and the take profit. So I have this point set and this point set. So that's the plan. That's the trading plan. So I'm not afraid, even if the price comes back down here, and I'm already like, that's more than yeah, at least 15% profit from my starting point. I have to check, but at least it's 15%, even if the price goes down now. So yeah, this is a good trade, and I'm looking forward to it hitting the prices. So yeah, yeah, this is my plan. This is what I've been doing, and you should if you I mean, this is how I do my thing, right? I don't have any special thing I'm doing than this. And when it gets complicated, I use the AI. I use ChatGPT to help to resolve some of the things, right? So yeah, so that's it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to going to watch the game. So wish us good luck, right? Yeah. So see you guys on the next one.